Hi guys, in this video we are going to see the outdoor unit of an split AC wiring diagram. Here you can see a N1. From N1 a red wire is being connected to the capacitor, that is it is indicated as C2, capacitor 2. Okay, now let us see the wiring connection. See here it comes N1, that is a red wire which is connected to the capacitor according to the given wiring diagram, isn't it? Now let us see the wiring diagram once again. From N2, that is from N1 to C2, from C2 again one white wire is going towards the compressor, that is from C2 to one white wire is connected to compressor terminal, that is S. Now let us see. See here you can see that one white wire is being connected from capacitor to compressor terminal, that is S start terminal, as shown in the wiring diagram. Okay, so this is the S. Now let us look at the wiring diagram. From C2, that is a white wire connected to S. Now let us see again, and from N1 red wire is connected to C2. Okay, now from one wire is connected, that is nothing but a sky blue wire being connected to the jack of the fan motor, that is okay, sky blue color connected to the blue of the fan motor. From one, now from one more wire is going black which is connected to the compressor terminal. Okay, this is sky blue. Now let us see the connection. One black wire connected to the compressor, another sky blue connected to the jack of the fan motor. See here one black wire okay, one sky blue wire which is connected to the another black wire is connected to the compressor terminal common, as we have seen in the wiring diagram, isn't it? Black wire, that is from one black wire is connected to the compressor terminal, another sky blue is connected to the fan motor, black wire is connected to the compressor common. We have seen it. Now let us see one more thing. From C2, from N1 one red wire is connected to the C2 early, again from C2 another red wire, one red wire is connected to the C1, that is capacitor 1, and one more red wire is connected to the jack of the fan motor. Okay, one red wire is connected to the C1, another red wire is connected to the jack of the fan motor. Let us see here. See one red wire, that is from C2. Here you can see the two wires joined together. One red wire is connected to the C1. Okay, this is C1, that is capacitor, C1 capacitor. And another red wire is connected to the jack of the fan motor. Okay, here it comes again. I will explain you. One red wire goes to the from C2 to C1, another red wire goes to the jack of the fan motor. Now let us see from C1 one yellow wire goes to the jack of the fan motor. Here they already it has given yellow. Now let us look at this one. C1 yellow wire is connected to the jack of the fan motor, that is from C1. Okay, now let us see one more thing. We have completed this yellow as well as a red. Okay, one is connected to the fan motor, another one red one is connected to the another red one from C2 is connected to the compressor terminal. See here another red wire, you can see it clearly. Let us have a look. See from here another red wire, see another red wire that is being connected to the compressor terminal. Okay, so this is according to the wiring diagram we can check all the connections by seeing the diagram. If we are able to read the diagram, it will be very much easy. Okay, already we have completed one black wire connected to the compressor. Okay, and from N1 one red wire is connected to the capacitor C2, and from C2 one red wire is connected to the compressor. Okay, so these are the things you have to see how the wiring diagram